everyone, in this video we will explore how to build a question answering app using Python, Gradio and Hugging Face. First log on to huggingface.co and create an account. Once you're done, navigate to the spaces section and create a new space. I'll name mine question answering app. Feel free to give it a name that suits. Select Gradio as the space SDK and choose whether you want to keep your space public or private. I will choose private for now. Click Create Space and you will land on this page. Now click on Files, then Add File and create a new file named requirements.txt. We will need the transformers and TensorFlow libraries for this project. After adding them, scroll down and click Commit New File to main. Now go back to the Apps section and you will find a hint with a link to create the app file right in your browser. Click on Create to get started. Now let's dive into the code line by line. Firstly, we import the necessary libraries. Gradio is used for creating the user interface and pipeline is imported from transformers to access the question answering model. We load the pre-trained question answering model using the pipeline function. This model is ready to answer questions based on a provided context. Then we define a function called generateAnswer. It takes a context and question as inputs. The function uses the loaded question answering model to generate an answer to the given question based on the provided context. Here, we define the Gradio interface. We specify the input components using gr.components.textbox for context and question. We also define the output component for the answer. The title and description about the app provides users with an understanding of the app's purpose. Finally, we launch our Gradio app using iface.launch. Now, let's see our app in action. You can check its progress in the apps section. This may take a few minutes. A little later, you will notice the status changing from building to running. And your app is now live on Hugging Face. This is how it looks. In the input text box, you can provide a context and ask a question for it to answer. For this demo, I'll use some sample content about Burj Khalifa and ask what its height is. Then click on Submit. It takes a few seconds, after which it provides the answer based on the given context. And that's how you can create a simple question answering app. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more exciting tutorials. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.